How to get a streak pet on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to unlock and care for your streak pet in just a few steps. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen to open your DMs. Let me show you. From there, open a chat with a friend you have an active snap streak or message streak with. At this point, keep messaging back and forth with them daily. Once you reach a certain streak milestone, TikTok will unlock the streak pet feature for that conversation. In the next step, once unlocked, you'll see a small pet icon appear at the top of the chat. Tap on it to open your streak pet. From there, you'll see your pet along with options to feed it, play with it, and check its mood. Following this, continue maintaining your daily message streak with that friend to keep your pet growing and evolving over time. From here, if the streak pet feature isn't appearing in your chat, make sure your TikTok app is fully updated. Open the Play Store, search for TikTok, and tap Update if one is available. At this stage, once updated, reopen TikTok and check your chat again to see if the streak pet icon has appeared. Finally, keep checking back and continuing your streaks. As TikTok continues to roll out the feature, it should become available to more users over time. And that's it. If this guide helped you get a streak pet on TikTok, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.